In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background on a Slack video call. Whether you're looking to maintain privacy, reduce distractions, or just have a bit of fun with virtual backgrounds, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by either joining or initiating a Slack huddle. This is a simple and effective way to naturally start conversations with your team, making communication quick and easy. You can begin this by looking for the huddle feature in the lower left corner of Slack, which has become a handy tool for remote collaboration. Once you're in the huddle, direct your attention to the huddle window. Here you'll see the More Actions option, indicated by 3 dots. It's the gateway to a variety of settings you can customize to enhance your video call experience. Click on the 3 dots and you'll see a drop-down menu displaying different customization options, offering you the flexibility to shape the meeting environment as you prefer. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the video background option. This is where all the magic happens. Slack provides you with several preset video background options, ranging from a simple blur that maintains your privacy to more dynamic images that can add a splash of personality or professionalism to your call. Take a moment to explore these options and consider what will work best for your meeting purpose. A blurred background is often a favorite as it keeps the focus on you, rather than any potential distractions behind you. Another great feature to be aware of is your ability to set a default video background preference. This way, you're always prepared and consistent in appearance whenever you join a Slack huddle. To set this up, head over to your preferences by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner of Slack. From the drop-down menu, you'll choose Preferences and then select Audio and Video. In this section, you can set your default choice for your video background. By doing this ahead of time, you're saving yourself the extra step once you're already in a meeting, allowing for smoother and more efficient start times. So there you have it. Adjusting your background on a Slack video call is a straightforward process, enabling you to customize your virtual meeting space to suit your needs or mood. Whether you're looking to maintain professionalism with a neat blurred backdrop or adding a touch of personality with a fun image, Slack makes it easy for you to do so. Remember, taking a moment to tweak these settings can vastly improve your meeting's overall feel and effectiveness. As we increasingly rely on virtual communication, these small adjustments can make a significant difference. Enjoy experimenting with your video background options and making your virtual presence truly your own. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.